Welcome to Homework Lib.
Here we want to explore why the gravity does no work on first case a bowling ball, and in case B a satellite in circular motion. So first of all, remember that the definition of work is going to be equal to the dot product of the force with the distance, which can be written as the magnitude of the force times the magnitude of the distance times the cosine of the angle in between the force and the direction of the displacement. So in case A, what we're going to have is that our bowling ball is moving on the x-axis, while the force of gravity is exactly at 90 degrees. Since both of them are perpendicular, cosine of 90 degrees is going to be equal to 0, thus work is going to be equal to 0. Now in case B, since the direction of the gravity is always pointed towards the center of the Earth or whichever planet this satellite is orbiting around, what we know is that the direction of the force that I'm putting down here in red is towards the Earth, and the direction of the movement is always going to be perpendicular to it, generating our circular motion. So again, the angle is equal to 90 degrees. Thus, the work is going to be equal to 0. This is going to be the movement, and in red is the force. So the work is going to be equal to 0 because the force and the direction of the movement are perpendicular to each other in both of the cases.